Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to display temperature on PC while gaming. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To display temperature on PC while gaming on an AMD processor, follow these steps. Firstly, go ahead and find your graphics card manufacturer on ensuring you have the dedicated software for monitoring PC performance statistics, considering the use of an AMD processor in this case. Subsequently, open your AMD software, navigate to the performance section, and access settings. Among various options, step to make this work is to enable the Show Metrics Overlay option. Once enabled, observe the temperature displayed on the overlay panel in the right corner. Next, go ahead and use the search bar to find in-game overlay and ensure that it is enabled. Now, proceed to play a game, and you'll notice the temperature overlay visibly displayed in the right corner. This is how to display temperature on PC while gaming. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.